So, good morning, students. Today we are going to proceed first chapter of ninth class, which belongs from economics, chapter first, village at Palampur. The topic: will the land sustain? क्या लैंड हमारी सस्टेनेबिलिटी है लैंड में? लैंड बीइंग ए नेचुरल रिसोर्स which is provided by our nature as a gift, it is necessary to be careful and its use. Scientific reports indicate that the modern farming methods have observed to natural resource base. In many areas, green revolution is associated the loss of soil fertility due to increased use of chemical fertilizers also. Students, you know that green revolution is started by MS Swaminathan in India. We use hybrid seeds, more water, more fertilizer, chemical, pesticide, insecticide, etc. so that we produce more. But the side effect of also this activity gone in, especially in our land area, because when we use more and more fertilizer, more pesticide, insecticide or irrigation, so the fertility of soil going reduced slowly. So that it also continuous use of groundwater for tubewell irrigation has led the depletion of water level. We extract more water from our ground level through the submersible pump. So you know that the water level of our ground area goes down. Environmental resources like soil fertility and groundwater are built up by over year. Once destroyed, it is very difficult to restore them. आप जानते हैं कि आप अपने चाइल्डहुड को देखिए. In those days we found in every villages the having well, and inside the well when we look there we will find the water. But present time we aren't able to see the water inside the well. So it is very difficult to maintain the groundwater level, and it is very tough to restore the fertility of soil after when we lose both. We must take care of environment. It's our responsibility that we take care of our environment also to ensure future development of agriculture. हमें फ्यूचर के एग्रीकल्चर डेवलपमेंट को ध्यान में रखते हुए हमें अपने इन्वायरमेंट का, अपने सॉइल का, अपने नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज का बहुत ही सावधानीपूर्वक इस्तेमाल करना होगा. Some activity suggested by the NCERT. After reading the following report and newspaper magazine, write a letter to agriculture minister in your own word, telling him how the use of chemical fertilizer can be harmful. Students, you know that present time we most of the peoples are doing the organic agriculture. What do you mean organic agriculture? It means that we are not going to use chemical fertilizer, pesticide, insecticide. We use that particular land inorganic fertilizer like that compost खाद or other. We not use chemical fertilizer, chemical pesticide, insecticide, etc. And what grains we produce after that, that is known as the inorganic agriculture. Chemical fertilizer provide mineral which dissolve in water and immediately available to plant, but these may not be retained in the soil. वो सॉइल में तो नहीं रहते हैं, वो इमीडिएट हम अपने प्लांट्स को तुरंत एक्टिव करने के लिए वी यूज़ केमिकल फर्टिलाइजर. दे मेनी एस्केप फ्रॉम द सॉइल, पॉल्यूट ग्राउंड वाटर. अब आप देखते हैं कि व्हेन वी यूज मोर एंड मोर पेस्टिसाइड, इंसेक्टिसाइड, द साइड इफेक्ट डेफिनेटली दैट केमिकल्स in our fruits we will find, in our soil also will find, and the result is that the fertility of soil may reduce time to time. Chemical fertilizer can also kill bacteria and other microorganisms in the soil. This means some time after their use, the soil will be less fertile than over a year before. The consumption of chemical fertilizer in Punjab is highest in the country. पंजाब में सबसे ज़्यादा हम chemical fertilizers का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. The continuous use of chemical fertilizer has led to degradation of soil health. Punjab farmers now forced to use more and more chemical fertilizer and other inputs to achieve some production level. This means cost of cultivation is rising very fast. How is land distributed between farmer in Palampur? As I have earlier tell you all that Palampur has an imaginary village. Near about such type of activity done in the villages which are situated near the towns. So how is land distributed in between the farmers in Palampur? You must have realized that how important land is for farming, and unfortunately that not all the people engage in agriculture. चाहे जिस विलेज में हो सभी लोग एग्रीकल्चर में ही इन्वॉल्व नहीं होते, बिकॉज मोस्ट ऑफ पीपल हैव नॉट देयर एग्रीकल्चरल लैंड, सो दे आर बिकम लेबर or they are doing another activity. Have sufficient land and agriculture. In Palampur about 1/3 of 450 families are landless. 150 families, most of them Dalits, have not cultivation of the remaining family who have land. 240 families cultivate small plot landless and 2 hectare in size cultivation. Means the distribution of land are not equal. It is very true that in village area or any other places, when we go and watch, then we will find that the distribution of land are not equal. Some people having big size of plot, they having more agricultural area, and some people are landless. That's true. In 1960, Govind was a farmer. This is a story. In 1960, Govind was a farmer with 2.25 hectare in largely unirrigated land. With the help of his 3 sons, Govind cultivated the land. 1960 के आसपास 2.25 हेक्टेयर एक लार्ज अनकल्टिवेटेड एरिया था गोविंद का. उन्होंने अपने 3 बच्चों के साथ उसको कल्टिवेबल लैंड बनाया. दो दे डिड नॉट लिव वेरी कंफर्टेबली, लेकिन वो बहुत आराम से नहीं रह सकते थे. मीन कि जो व्हाट दे प्रोड्यूस फ्रॉम देयर एग्रीकल्चरल लैंड दैट इज़ नॉट सफिशिएंट फॉर देयर बेटर लाइफ. द फैमिली मैनेज to feed itself with a little bit to extra income from the buffalo that the family raised. Some year after Govind's death, his land was divided among the 3 sons each, and now their plot land is 7.5 hectare in size. Even with improved agriculture and modern farming method, Govind's sons are not able to make living from their land. They have to look for the additional work during the part time of the year. अब जब गोविंद के एक्सपायर होने के बाद, डेथ होने के बाद, गोविंद का जो प्लाट था वो छोटे छोटे प्लाट्स में बट गया और उनके बच्चों के बिटवीन. और आप जानते हैं कि जो स्मॉल प्लाट हो गया, साइज नंबर ऑफ पीपल इन अ फैमिली इंक्रीज रैपिडली, सो देयर इज अ डिफ़िकल्ट टास्क टू गेट ग्रेन्स फ्रॉम दैट पर्टिकुलर एरिया. सो दे लुक आफ्टर एडिशनल वर्क. उन्होंने और दूसरे वर्क भी करना स्टार्ट कर दिया. दे मीन्स दे आर नॉट कम्प्लीटली डिपेंड अपॉन द एग्रीकल्चरल वर्क. यू कैन सी द लार्ज नंबर ऑफ स्मॉल प्लाट्स स्कैटर्ड अराउंड द विलेज इन द पिक्चर. पिक्चर में देखते हैं कि छोटे छोटे प्लाट इधर उधर बिखरे पड़े हैं. दे आर कल्टिवेटेड बाय द स्मॉल फार्मर. उनको छोटे छोटे किसानों द्वारा कल्टिवेशन की जा रही है. ऑन द अदर हैंड, मोर देन हाफ ऑफ एरिया ऑफ द विलेज इज कवर्ड बाय प्लाट that are quite large in size. In Palampur, there are 60 family of medium large farmers who cultivated more than 2 hectare of land. A few large number of have existing over 10 hectare. कुछ ही के पास बड़े एरिया हैं, नहीं तो सब इसी तरह छोटे छोटे प्लाट्स में डिवाइड हो गए हैं, जैसे आप यहाँ पिक्चर में देख सकते हैं. लेट्स डिस्कस In the picture 1.5, what you are seeing last page, you said the land cultivated by small farmer, वहाँ देख सकते हैं small farmer द्वारा cultivation किया गया. Why do so many families of farmers cultivate such a small plot of land? क्यों ऐसा है? Because the what land they have, they divided into their sons, between sons, so their plot is very small in size. Third point, the distribution of farmer in India and amount of land they cultivated is given the following graph 1.1 discuss the. ये ग्राफ के माध्यम से यहाँ दिया है कि कैसे मीडियम और लार्ज पीपल्स ये करते हैं. कल्टिवेटेड एरिया 5.40 और नंबर ऑफ फार्मर्स आप देखते हैं यहाँ पे लेस दैन द फार्मर हु हैव 2 hectares. सो number of farmers going to increase rapidly, especially in future when land divided into small plots. Who will provide the labor? Next, after land, labor is the next necessary factor for production. Farming requires a great deal of hard work. Small farmers along with their family cultivated their own field. Thus they provide the labor required for the farming themselves. Medium and large farmers here farm laborers to work in their field. एग्रीकल्चर ऐसा वर्क है कि यहाँ पे ह्यूज अमाउंट ऑफ मैन पावर की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है, चाहे वो कल्टीवेशन के पूरी एक्टिविटी में आप देख सकते हैं, स्टार्टिंग टू इरिगेशन और हार्वेस्टिंग और अदर एक्टिविटी थ्रेशलिंग और एट्सेट्रा. देयर इज हार्ड वर्क एंड विच इज़ डन बाय द मैन पावर की वहाँ ज़रूरत. तो लेबर्स की हमें क्या है, मैन पावर मीन्स लेबर की हमें बहुत सारी आवश्यकता होती है. लेट्स डिस्कस आइडेंटिफाई द वर्क बीइंग डन ऑन द फील्ड इन द पिक्चर 1.6. अरेंज देम प्रॉपर सीक्वेंस. उसको प्रॉपर सीक्वेंस में करना यहाँ पे दिखा रखा है ये दिस वन, so that this picture we arrange this proper one, what activity done first and what activity done in the last. Farmers from laborers come either from landless family or families cultivated in small plant. तो अब वही लोग फार्मिंग करते हैं which have not big plot, big agricultural area, big land, so they are small farmers and they forced to do especially small plot and they not fulfill their requirements, so they become the labor also. There is a picture and some discussion here. It is difficult to find the work these days. Only the large farmers hire us and that too for very limited number of days. बहुत कम काम मिलता है. तो ये फीमेल क्या कह रही है, घनश्याम, the large farmer has just brought a harvester, so we are going to get even less work during the harvest season this year. Last year I worked for less than 5 months in the whole year. ये फीमेल कह रही है कि अब जैसे जैसे यहाँ डिस्कशन का मतलब है कि न्यू इक्विपमेंट, मॉडर्न मशीन आ रही हैं, हार्वेस्टर जो गेहूँ या फसलों को काटने की, तो उससे भी लेबर्स को कठिनाई हो रही है. दे आर नॉट गेटिंग सफिशिएंट टाइम फॉर लेबर. वी हैव ट्रैक्टर फॉर प्लॉविंग, हार्वेस्टर फॉर हार्वेस्टिंग, थ्रेशर फॉर थ्रेशिंग, इवन रिमूविंग वीड्स. सम फार्मर्स स्प्रे पेस्टिसाइड. आप देखते हैं कि हमें प्लॉविंग के लिए थ्रेशर, हार्वेस्टिंग के लिए हमें क्या है, हमें हार्वेस्टिंग के लिए मिल जाता